Hi guys, first of all I want to just thank you for all your amazing results that you're getting from doing intermittent fasting and ketosis. I read all your comments, mind-blowing. So well done, keep going on that. Had some questions recently about should I do a 1 meal a day type pattern? So let's just talk about that. So socially, we're just not set up to do intermittent fasting. I mean, what are you gonna do? Go out to dinner with your friends and sit there and not eat anything? So it is difficult in our culture. And the current eating model that we're stuck in is based on running your body on blood sugar. It's all about trying to keep your blood sugars up. So it's take this snack, eat this food, have this meal. So yes, there's certain people that will say, well, the reason why you're going to lose weight on 1 meal a day is simply because of calories. But there's more to that, so I want to cover that. So the difference between intermittent fasting and a low-calorie diet really has to do with the frequency of eating and making sure you get your nutrients, so you're not actually starving. So I do recommend you supplement with the B vitamins, minerals, trace minerals. Wheatgrass juice powder works really, really good on that. But the point is you don't want to start consuming less nutrients and your hair start falling out and getting tired. So many people start with 3 meals a day, and then they go down to 2 meals a day, and then they're just not hungry. So they go to 1 meal a day and they feel so much better. Cognitive function, energy. So I'm gonna just let you test the waters and see how you feel. But you're gonna be surprised, like your energy level and your cognitive function and your memory and the mental clarity is just amazing. And that's simply because fat is a much more efficient fuel, okay? So you're running your body on this fat and it's a cleaner fuel. And then when you eat, it actually stimulates insulin, which kind of can give you a little brain fog. So I'll let you decide what you want to do. But the point is that you're also going to have other benefits too. And one of the biggest benefits is autophagy. What is autophagy? Autophagy is your body's ability to recycle old cellular parts. It also will clean up mold, viruses, bacteria, fungus in the cell, and clean all that up. Now, what do you think is going to happen if you're going to clean all this old waste out of your body? You're going to feel really good. You're going to look better. Your brain cells, your cognitive, your immune system, your inflammation is going to come way down. And just the amount of people that have inflammation, I mean, it's incredible how stiff they are, and all of a sudden they do this and they start loosening up, they feel better, inflammation goes down, the swelling in the legs goes down. So that's why they're just feeling better. It's blood sugars, it's burning your fat, and then autophagy. Also, intermittent fasting really is good for your metabolism. It fixes insulin resistance, and that's what's really behind that, hitting that set point where you just can't seem to drop lower with your weight and you just hover around a certain weight. That's called insulin resistance, and this will fix it. So especially 1 meal a day. But again, I would recommend starting at 3 meals a day, 2 meals a day. Do it for a while until you feel comfortable, until you have no more hunger, and then try 1 meal a day, okay? So you're gonna find that you may like this and it might work for you. And lastly, I wanna cover 3 things. Number 1, the quality of food. You don't wanna do 1 meal a day eating junk food. Make sure it's high quality. Number 2, the quantity of food needs to be a lot higher. Now the difficulty is, how do you cram in 3 meals in 1 meal? It's going to be very difficult. You're going to have to enhance your diet with supplements, but try to eat as much as you can in high quality foods, especially vegetables, some protein, and high quality fats. Last thing is, when do you do this? Well, it really doesn't matter. Just pick a time. It can vary through the day. It doesn't have to be at the same time. All right? Some people do in the evening, some people do in the morning, some people do in the middle of the day. All right? So put your comments below and tell me what you think. So Karen and I are going to create some more recipes, but we wanted to know, what recipes are you interested in, okay? Click the link and let us know.